Welcome back. If you've been staring at your living room feeling like it's stuck in the past, or maybe it just lacks that wow factor you see in magazines, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of modern living room decorating ideas. We aren't just talking about buying a new sofa, we're exploring how to balance comfort with that sleek, high-end aesthetic. From the quiet luxury trend to mastering the art of the gallery wall, I'm sharing the secrets to making your home look curated, not just decorated. The heart of any modern space is the color palette. While modern often brings to mind cold whites and grays, the 2026 trend is all about warm minimalism. Think oatmeals, soft terracottas, and sage greens. But here's the trick. To keep a neutral room from looking flat, you must prioritize texture. Pair a smooth leather chair with a chunky knit throw, or a marble coffee table with a jute rug. This contrast creates visual depth that feels expensive without being cluttered. If there's one thing that separates a DIY job from a professional interior design, it's the lighting. Modern design relies on layers. Ambient lighting, your overhead lights. Task lighting, a sleek floor lamp for your reading nook. Accent lighting, LED strips behind the TV or under shelf lighting. Pro tip, ditch the boob light on the ceiling. Replace it with a bold, architectural pendant light to act as the jewelry of the room. Modern living is all about flow. Avoid the wall hugger syndrome. Don't push all your furniture against the perimeter of the room. Instead, try floating your sofa to create distinct zones, especially in open-concept homes. Ensure there's at least 18 inches between your coffee table and your seating. This keeps the room feeling airy and intentional. Remember, less is more. Choose one statement piece, like an oversized curved sofa, and let the rest of the room breathe around it. Finally, let's talk about the soul of the room, decor. In a modern space, scale is your best friend. Instead of 10 small knickknacks, go for one large, sculptural vase. Swap out a dozen small frames for one massive piece of abstract art. And don't forget the greenery. A tall fiddle leaf fig or a dracaena adds organic shapes that soften those clean, modern lines. Creating a modern living room isn't about following every rule, it's about creating a space that feels like you. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home interior inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.